Chef Daisley loves cooking with fat asparagus, so Tomas is heading to Wapato, Washington to find the source of these large and delicious spears.
Imperial's garden grows a variety of produce, including zucchini, peas, eggplants, and of course, asparagus. I'm talking with farmer David Young to learn more about what it takes to grow a great asparagus crop.
Okay, so describe the harvesting process to me about how that's still the same. What does that entail?
Still, you get the asparagus knife and you bend over and cut it. That's simple as that. And you gotta pick it every single day, Sundays included. Because if you miss one day, they just keep growing and they flower to about a miniature tree, a bunch of branches.
So this is backbreaking work.
Yeah, labor's tough. The last 3-4 years, the available labor force has just been thin. And to make up for that, just gotta raise wages, you know, try to compete with everyone else.
With competition so tough, I asked David where his asparagus goes after it's been harvested.
A lot of it goes to Winco.
Oh, okay.
You know, Winco, Freddy's, Safeway. There's big brokers out there like Spokane Produce and Charlie's. So basically the whole Northwest. We pack about maybe 1,000 boxes a day or so.
Wow.
Around there, give or take. So it's gotta go somewhere.
It's gotta go somewhere. Now, I've noticed that when we went to Cafe Campagna, Chef Daisley was talking about the thickness of the asparagus that he gets from you.
There's some varieties that tend to grow a little thicker than others, some a little thinner.
So there's a specific variety to get those nice thicker stalks?
Yeah, the one that we have is Supreme.
Now, when you guys harvest the asparagus, I noticed you also have a packing plant on site, right?
Yes.
Now, how does that operation work?
When we put the asparagus through it, it goes through a camera. It takes maybe 100 pictures per second, and it has about 30 shoots, and it will grade each asparagus by thickness and height.
So that way, every single bunch of asparagus is a consistent thickness and height.
Can't ship to stores unless they're uniform.
Imperial's garden was founded 33 years ago by David's grandparents, his uncles, and his mother. What began at just 40 acres has now grown to nearly 2,000.
It's still family run and owned. Everyone's still here except for my grandparents. And myself and my 2 cousins are the only ones left from the younger generation that want to deal with all this. Gotta give it to these guys. I wouldn't be able to pick this every day. And sometimes when it gets too hot, you gotta cut it twice.
Because they grow that fast. Wow.
So, you know, they start at 5 a.m. and if it's really hot, they're not done till 9 p.m.
Well, that's why we got to appreciate it every time we put this asparagus on our plate.
Yeah.
There's some sweat and tears coming out of this. And here they are, the asparagus. Oh, here's the big ones. Be thankful every time you eat this stuff.
Pretty much, yeah.
Well, I am very much, and we're thankful that you let us come here today and learn a little bit about your asparagus, man.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
Yep, you're welcome.